Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss another Stream API interview question. Given a list of strings, convert all the strings to uppercase and then concatenate them into a single string. So in the input, we have a list of string, as you can see, and that is the output that we are expecting. It has to be in uppercase and it will be a string. Okay, so we are expecting a string in return. All right, so let's take alphabets dot stream, and the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to transform it. So we have a string, and we have each of these strings and we have to convert it to uppercase, right? So we already have that method, and then we need the answer in a single string, so we are going to use a reduce operation, okay, which is going to take a binary operator, and here it is going to take two strings. It is going to take two strings and it's gonna concatenate those with a space in between. And let's do one empty stream handling. Let's give or else and an empty string. Okay, now reduce is concatenating and reducing all the elements of the stream into a single result, and it is going to repeatedly act on each and every element of the stream until it gets the desired result. And we are using or else to handle an empty stream. It may happen that the values of a stream may be empty, so we are providing it with a default value of empty strings. Let's look at the answer, and we get our output. In case we have an empty stream, we will see what happens. Okay, and reduce is going to return us with an optional empty, so we can check is empty and it will come out as true. Okay, and similarly, if we are using this, we'll see that it will be false because now we have the value. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.